Hello there people, so andito kami ngayon sa school kung saan nagtuturo yung nanay ko. Susunduin namin siya guys, pero medyo naaliw yung mga bata kasi sa lawak ng ground dito guys, gusto nilang magtatatakbo kaya pinagbigyan ko na.
It's itchy na. Stand up, itchy. What's this?
It's tickle me with my hand.
We call it amorsico.
Yes, it's my sito. You can take it.
This is amorsico.
Yeah.
Amorsico. Nah, look at
I
that.
got the coin, Mom.
What's that? Nah.
I want the coin.
What's that?
I want the coin.
Remove the amorsico. Nah, it's itchy.